Hey there, my name is Joe. In this video, I'm gonna show you the 10 best ways to make money online. How to make money online. Making money online is the sweet spot people look for in the gig economy. Whether you aspire to be a six-figure social media influencer or are just looking to supplement your regular income with some online side jobs, we've found some viable options. 1. Pick up freelance work online. Make money online through websites such as Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer.com. These sites offer opportunities to do a variety of freelance jobs, such as writing, programming, design, marketing, data entry, and being a virtual assistant. Fluent in a second language? Check sites such as Gango or Blend Express, or drum up business through a site of your own. No matter what freelancing you do, keep track of the going rate for the kind of work you provide so you know if you're charging too much or too little. 2. Try drop shipping. Have you heard of drop shipping? It's a method of retail where the seller doesn't actually have a physical inventory. Instead, when a customer makes an order, you purchase the item from a third party, and they ship it directly to the customer. This means you'll never have to fork over a single dime to store your products or maintain your inventory. And you'll never have to buy products in bulk, hoping to sell enough to recoup your investment. This method can be done with online selling platforms like eBay or Amazon. 3. Tutor. Establishing your own tutoring service can be a lucrative business that provides you with a comfortable and flexible lifestyle. The best part of all is you can set up a tutoring business in almost any country in the world. Word-of-mouth marketing is still one of the most valuable marketing tools you can have when starting out. The site tutors.com has a list of the best online tutoring jobs, and you can also apply to be a tutor at tutorme.com. 4. Sell your photos. Do you have photo skills or live in an area where images are in demand? Stock photography websites are huge repositories of photographs, covering almost every possible subject you could imagine. So how does it work? Photographers can upload their images to any one of a number of huge databases, allowing magazine editors, designers, or any organization with a website to buy them. And the beauty of stock websites: photos can be sold any number of times, so you can continue to make money without any effort. Photography sites to check out include Shutterstock and Getty Images. 5. Create a money-making blog. Do you have an area of expertise? Share your advice on a blog. If travel is your area of expertise, think about what you have to offer. Are you an expert in luxury travel or budget travel? Can you share advice about certain activities like hiking or shopping? The more specific you get, the easier it'll be to attract an engaged audience and earn money with your site. The sites Squarespace and Wix have tips on how to create blogs and can also host them. 6. Become a financial coach. If you're interested in personal finance and want to turn your hobby into profits, you can also consider becoming a financial coach. Financial coaches don't have the same educational requirements as financial advisors, so breaking your way into this industry is easier. That said, financial coaches are not legally allowed to offer investment advice. Instead, coaches help their clients with tasks like tracking their spending, getting on a budget, and planning for their long-term financial goals. While the earnings of financial coaches vary by quite a bit, many coaches charge $150 to $250 for each one-hour session they book. However, they often meet several clients each month, and they meet with each client at least once per month throughout the year. 7. Take care of pets through rover.com. If you love animals and want to earn cash taking care of cats, dogs, and other pets, consider setting up a profile on a platform called Rover. This online platform can help you set up your own small business walking pets, feeding pets, or caring for them overnight in your home. Nightly stays can easily help you earn $29 to $50 per pet, and dog walking or feeding gigs can pay $20 or more. 8. Babysit kids. Maybe you love kids a lot more than you love people's pets. In that case, you can look for babysitting gigs in your local area or find them through care.com. While how much you're paid will vary depending on the job, how many kids you watch, and where you live, you can easily earn $15 per hour and up with babysitting gigs. Tell people you know you're looking for babysitting work or set up a job posting in Facebook groups you already belong to. The best part about babysitting is that you typically get paid the day you do the job. You could babysit for a few hours and then walk away with cash. 9. Set up an online course. Go beyond writing an ebook and create a whole online course with tutorials, PDF downloads, and videos. It's a great way to create a passive income because people will pay for the info and can go at their own pace or post questions related to the course in a dedicated group. Here's one resource for creating and selling online courses: LearnWorlds, which makes it possible for anyone to profit from their knowledge and experience by creating an online program. 10. Sell your wares on Etsy. Have a penchant for woodworking, jewelry making, embroidery or pottery? Sell your goods on Etsy, the go-to site for artisans selling home goods, art, and knickknacks. Etsy boasted about 96 million active buyers and grossed over $13.5 billion in merchandise sales in 2021, according to data from Statista. Thank you for watching. For more how-to videos, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to smash the bell icon to get notified.